Bulova Marine Star watch. If you're a fan of budget-friendly, elegant timepieces with sophisticated design, you're going to love the Bulova Marine Star watch. Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Dunn. Today in this video, we're going to deep dive into the world of affordable luxury watches with a detailed look and unboxing at the Bulova Marine Star watch, which has blue and gold dial. Before I open the box, let's go through some of the specs. So this is the model 98B384 and Bulova Marine Star is the watch. And we have a GM12 course, which could be 12 seconds off per month, but I'm expecting this is lesser than that. Usually they say something, but it's possible that it's giving more accurate time. Case is 43 millimeter, lug is 22 millimeter, and the crystal is mineral. This is not sapphire, and the band is safety fold over clasp with a push button, and the accent is blue gold tone, and it's got luminous hands and markers. And this is actually 100 meter or 10 bar or 333 feet water resistant. So that's the specs, and I'll just put this aside here. And before buying this watch, I was like kind of debating whether to buy this one or this one. Now this is a very nice looking watch as well, and it was actually 346 on Amazon, and I saw that some other online stores selling it for more than that. So I had I had to debate hard which one to buy, and I had to show it to my a few friends and family just to pick one, and looks like most of everyone actually picked this one, not that one. But this is, I believe, still a good watch. So that was kind of, I had to struggle of which one to buy, and this is just a different variation. This is not gold, and the silver blue dial silver tone. So I'll just put it aside here. Now I believe this is the standard Bulova watch box. All of their watch boxes like that, and I noticed that it was like slightly damaged here, and I was scared before opening the box that maybe the watch is damaged too, but it was not the case. I just kind of had a peek quickly. I didn't really take out the watch, but I just had a peek and saw that looks like fine. And then some of the model number and information right here as well. And let's start unboxing. So I'll just put it here this way, and this feels like made of paper. And let's take it out, and you can see that watch is right here. I'll just set it aside for now, and I see that included brochure or manual. Let me just take a look here. So this is the setting instruction and warranty, and registration. So what happens if you register, then you're going to get 3-year warranty, which is not bad at all. But usually I never registered this, so I don't know how many people actually do register, but that's what we have here. And this is some other information. So I'll put this aside here, and let's take it out of the pillow. So this looks like a nice pillow. Okay, so put it here. Now it has some sort of plastic wrapping or covering. I'll take this out, and let's see what we have here. So we have the same information there: stainless steel, gold tone, and the price actually here is $550. I believe this is US. So what I noticed that this is online now, going for $500 to $700, but on Amazon you can find it lesser than that. So when I picked it up, I think it was for like $350, but now I noticed that I checked it today and it's back to like $450. So it looks like I saved a good amount of money. No, sorry, I didn't pay $350, maybe $380 or $350, in that range. Okay, so, and here we have the clasp and the band. So there's some kind of packing here. So if I press it and pull it up, that removes the watch. Let me take this out. I think they put this to protect it from scratch, and other stuff, and just put this here. And okay, I think there's something else here, but it's very hard to take it out. Let me see if I, oh okay, here. So they took good protective measures, and I'm gonna put it here. So here we have the band. The band doesn't look bad at all. Now here is the watch. Let's put this away a little bit. Okay, so here we have the watch. Now let me just remove the plastic cover and put it here. Guys, this really looks good. When I was looking over it, I kind of didn't think like it's gonna look this good, but yeah, this really looks good. And I think this one is for the bezel, or this one is for like the hand, to remove the hand, to make the hands moving. And they have a protection here, so let me just see if I can take it out. I think it should come out if I just pull it. And okay, so yeah, it took out. I'll put it in there, and if I push it, that should make the watch going. Okay, so what happens now? Oh yeah, so it's started to move. Another thing I just noticed, that I was actually holding it reverse way, and that's why I think the bezel, the rotating bezel did not properly not aligned. So I think it was at the right place at the first time. I even didn't look at the Bulova on here. So let me just put it back, and okay, so it should be like this way. Okay, I was too excited just looking at the watch, and I forgot that the Bulova is not showing the proper way. Now let me just quickly take a look if I need to adjust the band. Right now I'm wearing like a regular Citizen, and this is what I'm wearing, just a plain simple Citizen, and my wrist is like a 7-inch or slightly more than 7-inch, which should be like 18 millimeter. Let me see if it fits right away, or I have to cut it or fix it. Okay, so let's see. Okay, yeah, it's like much longer, so I don't have the. Okay, so guys, you can see that it doesn't fit, so I'm going to have to fix the band. But this is how it looks like if you're looking at the wrist. So this is 43 millimeter, and you can see that it fits perfectly well. It doesn't look like that it's too big. So I was kind of worried that what if it's looks too big, because my wrist is like 7 to 7.5, 18 millimeter, around that range, but it looks perfectly fine. So it just has to be adjusted. And let me take this out. And let's take a quickly look at under here, if you can see anything, but it's because of the lighting, it's not that clear, but it's okay. So this is how it looks. Let's set this aside here. So I'm gonna have to say that I'm really impressed, and I'm really happy with the product. I have no complaints, and this is my first time I'm buying a Bulova. I never had a Bulova before, and I'm just by the looks of it, I'm really happy. I cannot really complain about anything. But as I keep using this one, and most likely I'm going to do another review down the road. But for now, this is the Bulova Marine Star with blue gold accents, and it has loom, but I don't think, guys, I can show you right now because it's kind of it's not gonna work. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it's too much light here. So okay, so unfortunately the loom is not going to show right now because of the light, but I'll check it out later. So thank you for watching, and I'll See you in the next video.